Next is, this type of problem is very important. Calculate the probability of an electron occupying an energy level 0.02 electron volt above the Fermi level at 200 Kelvin and 400 Kelvin in a material. So here in the problem there is mentioned above the Fermi level and below the Fermi level, that is given E minus EF. E minus EF is equal to 0.02 electron volt. Electron occupy an energy level 0. E minus EF is 0.02. There is mention above the Fermi level, that means above the Fermi level E minus EF is have positive quantity. Suppose if it is below the Fermi level, E minus EF is negative quantity. Okay, so in the problem above the Fermi level, this E minus EF is positive quantity. E 0 minus 02 electron volt. Electron volt energy in terms of joule, that should be right in terms of joule. And F of E here calculate, that is probability of an electron occupying an energy level, that is F of E. F of E at 200 Kelvin and F of E at 400 Kelvin. And here calculate F of E, that is formula is 1 by e to the power E minus EF by kT plus 1. Here E minus EF is this one answer. Substitute here, and K is Boltzmann constant 1.38 into 10 power minus 23. T is here 2 temperature value given, so calculate 1 by 1. First temperature 200, so put it here, plus 1 is equal to, simplifying this answer, first multiply these values. Okay, you will get 1.1594 plus 1 exponential this answer. Next is remove the exponential, that is how you remove the exponential in calculator. Take shift ln, exponential term is there, and take power on exponential, then you will get 1 by 3.188 plus 1 is equal to 0.24. Next, F of E is equal to 0.24 at temperature 200 Kelvin. Same thing, F of E at temperature 400 Kelvin is equal to 1 by exponential 0.02 into 10 power 1.6 into 10 power minus 19 divided by 1.38 into 10 power minus 23 into 400 plus 1. So simplify the values, you will get F of E is equal to 0.36 into 10 power 6 at temperature 400 Kelvin. Okay, so next is calculate the probability of an electron occupying energy level 0.02 electron volt above the Fermi level and that electron energy level 0.02 below the Fermi level. So here two cases given, one is above the Fermi level, second one is below the Fermi level. So here already we calculated, that is above the Fermi level calculated. Okay, that is not necessary here. So here below the Fermi level, if the case electron occupying the energy level 0.02 electron volt below level at 200 Kelvin, 200 Kelvin, that is E minus EF is 0.02 electron volt. Here below the Fermi level minus, okay, E minus EF is having negative quantity. Suppose above the Fermi level E minus EF is positive quantity. Here in the problem there is only value is given, but in the when we take solution, there is take below the Fermi level ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಇ ಮೈನಸ್ ಇ ಎಫ್ಗೆ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟಿ ಅಂತ ತಗೊಳ್ಬೇಕು. -0.02 electron volt, 0.02 into 1.6 into 10 power minus 19 joule. Same formula, f of is equal to 1 by 1 plus e power e minus ef by kt plus 1. Take simplification and exponential term, you will get f of e is equal to 0.76. This is below the energy level. F of e value 0.76.